Halo, assalamualaikum. Kita akan bermain Smackdown di PS3 saya. Dan ini sedang loading ya. Sedang loading, kita skip aja soalnya nggak penting. Kalian tinggal nonton aja. Kalian tinggal nonton aja di sini. Dan selamat menonton. Kita skip. Soalnya ini kita mainnya gantian, bukan nonton ini. Perasaan dia bisa gerak kayak gitu dah. Ya udah mulai.
A superstar gets a certain feeling when he knows there's a strong possibility he may exit the match in a completely different condition than he entered. That's not exactly a comforting thought when it's your career. Yeah, and social media has been on fire ahead of this one. But now it's time to get down to business. And what a great opportunity this is for these guys to build momentum. But hey, when the WWE comes to the city that never sleeps, great action is always on tap. Avoids the impact there. Perfectly executed. Nice dodge there. Inside the ring again. Yeah, they should be. This is where the action needs to be. Look at this now. You don't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one. You're right, Cole. These two don't like each other. And we're going to find out how much they really do dislike each other in this match. And he's heading back in. I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor. He wants to do this in the ring, and I don't blame him one bit.
Dulu saya pas main ini cukup awalnya, tapi lama-lama mulai jago. Udah jago banget sih. Cuma beberapa yang bisa kenalnya.
He's notified how where his ear is by the time this one's over.
Bunda Basudara jago banget main kayak gini ya.
These guys are giving it their all here tonight, not just to entertain the fans, but to ultimately walk away with the win. Getting back into the ring now. Can you get take a break? You get the crowd that got knocked over. This is a wreck. He's moving like an uncaged animal. Oh my, he's wild in there. Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt.
Oke, kalau udah cukup soalnya emang gini sih.
I have a strong feeling these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead. I hope you're right. That's exactly what I want to see. This is exactly how he drew this one up. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects. The Undertaker has to be considered the most savvy veteran in WWE today and a sure thing, future Hall of Fame. What he's accomplished in his illustrious career would be enough to fill the resume of about 10 superstars. If you just think about the first that the dead man has been a part of, Michael. The first Hell in a Cell match, the first ever casket match, the first buried alive match, and he has done some of the WWE's greatest traditions. just to the side of that one. Looks like he's starting to falter. He doesn't want to absorb much more punishment if he wants to win this match. It's been a great match so far, and I think there's still a lot more to come. But no matter what we say outside the ring, it doesn't matter as much as what happens inside that ring. Of course, we can't talk about The Undertaker's career without mentioning the streak. His almost inconceivable, undefeated run of matches at WrestleMania. Any superstar who's ever faced the demon from Death Valley on the grandest stage of them all has come out of it much worse for wear. When this guy's on, look out. We might be seeing the beginning of the end. Incredible. This has to be it. There's no doubt that The Undertaker's experience in big matches is unparalleled, as his WrestleMania streak makes clear. But if you're getting into that ring with the Dead Man, you better know every inch of it because the Phenom has been there before, many, many times. That'll change his posture in a hurry. He'll get into the arm and straighten up tomorrow. You don't want to get caught outside the ring for too long. What happened to you? You used to love being outside the ring. Intensity. This could do it. Maybe it is. He did. What a huge win. There was no love lost in that match. And look at the impact in these highlights.
Here's your winner, The Undertaker.
Gets it done to pick up the win. Great effort from both these guys, Cole. I wonder if this is the last time we see them square off. What a night for SmackDown. This will send shockwaves through the entire WWE. I know I'm shocked. Good night, everybody.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Westbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, John Cena.
Sometimes that's all you can do.
Yang gede-gede, terus bayar.
You're right. There's nothing like a little WWE mano a mano to get that blood flowing. Oh, this is going to be good. But no matter what we say outside the ring, it doesn't matter as much as what happens inside that ring. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one. Right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. Now, Ken, I'm going to lay one on you here. You've been in that ring with the best of the business has ever known. What do you think about John Cena? And can he be beaten fair and square? Action like this has become synonymous with SmackDown over the years. Goldberg's starting to look a little uneasy. Well, when you look at the illustrious career of John Cena starting way back in 2002, and since then, 21 championships, an astounding accomplishment, it is never a dull moment.
Oh, you're right about that. And don't forget the 15 World Championships. 11 reigns, of course, as the WWE Champion.
These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. When that happens, the complexion of the match can change in a heartbeat.
You're right about that. The entire match can end in a heartbeat if somebody hits their big move.
And the thing about John Cena that stands out, only Bob Backlund and Bruno Sammartino have more days combined as WWE Champion. And the 11 reigns is done. Look at it, catch him off guard. Quick ref count. And there's the fisherman suplex fishing for a quick end to this one.
Yeah, really, man. I think you got it. Hey, there we go. See him.
This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages and in over 110 countries.
Absolutely amazing. The world is watching, and I guarantee you they're going to love it. You know, Cole, more recently for John Cena, his reach extends beyond the accomplishments in the ring. We can't forget about that top 15 rap album that he released and his extension into feature films and television. Oh, wait, nice reverse.
Looks like he's starting to falter. I'm not sure how much more he has to give.
Well, I don't think at this point that we can count anyone out just yet. Let's just wait and see. Regardless, people will look back on this night and tell stories to their grandkids about it.
You gotta wonder just how widespread the back pain is. We're not seeing enough.
No kidding, this is bad.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Them too successful on the outside. Keep it in the ring.
And they got it good. You landed a perfectly placed strike. That'll send a message to your adversary all right.
Right, the message reads P-A-I-N.
With just a black and blue after this.
Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars. You're looking at constellation.
The inhalations assault continues on the neck of John Cena.
Oh, man, this is unbelievable. I don't know what we'll see if John can't turn this around. Let's go, let's do it. That's it. He's out. Reach. Is that enough? For the win.
John Cena wins.
There was no love lost in that match. And look at the impact in these highlights.
Here's your winner, John Cena.
I'm in the best this is the last time we see them square off.
Well, that was indeed a great match. And I think it's worth emphasizing how huge his victory is.
Wah, John Cena pensiun kah?
The following Diva contest
There's no other way to put it. This one of the match is going to be strong in every sense of the word. Neither man looks like they are remotely entertaining the idea of backing down.
This is gonna be good. Well, we all talk to the golden face, but the only thing that matters is what happens inside the ropes. And these ladies are ready to tear each other apart. But hey, when the WWE comes to the city that never sleeps, great action is always on tap.
Guys, I want to discuss Natalya for a moment. Dishing out some serious punishment here.
Got out of the way of that one.
Oh, look out. She missed her target that time.
Yeah, I guess you could say she was just a bit off the mark with that one.
They're going to be in good shape here as it relates to health.
Man, talk about putting a target on someone's back. She's having a real hard time getting back to her feet.
Great one-on-one action here tonight. It doesn't get much better than this.
Oh, the offense on attack is working well right now. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects. There doesn't seem to be any slowing her down now.
Going for it all here.
Nowhere to go. Back into the ring now.
Yeah, this is good. This is where the action needs to be.
And that's the match.
Gitu doang. Aku nggak ibarat curang ini, emang begitu.
Back in these highlights.
Here's your winner, Natalya.
Big win for Natalya.
I have a feeling they're going to be talking about this win for a while.
What a match that was, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.
Coba ya kita coba ini. Pokoknya lemah dulu.
A superstar gets a certain feeling when he knows there's a strong possibility he may exit the match in a completely different condition than he entered. That's not exactly a comforting thought when it's your career.
Man, sounds like the lid is about to be blown off this place. Oh, this is going to be good.
But hey, these legendary beatdown fans are as raucous and ready as any crowd in the world. This is exactly how he drew this one up. Let's talk about Abe English for a moment. A crushing elbow delivery.
Those elbows are vicious.
Nice dodge there.
Inside the ring again.
Yeah, they should be. This is what the action needs to be.
You know, there's no telling how high Aiden English can climb in the WWE. This guy's just getting started, but if his future is as bright as his past, we're looking at a star in the making.
Here's English.
Every time he has to get up, it takes more and more effort.
Aiden English being pushed to the brink here.
Oh, that's it. This one's got to be over after this. And hey, I still can't believe they pay me for this. Wow, he's still down after that. Now, here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt.
Bringing it back between the ropes.
That's a good thing. The action was getting a little too close for comfort out here.
Not today, too fast. Has absorbed a bit of offense here, but nothing at all to be concerned about. Take this look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it.
Controlling the tempo. In full control. He's taking on a punishment. If it continues, it can eventually affect his vision.
Yeah, already seeing stars. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
I'm pretty impressed with the ability to avoid damage here in this match. We're looking at complete domination here.
Nice reversal. He's in big trouble.
The City of Farmville put a Some sports entertainment's greatest moments include like Stone Cold Steve Austin captured the WWE Championship from Shawn Michaels at WrestleMania 14. A big counter. He's on the defensive here. Looks like he may have let his guard down there for a moment and it cost him. Hey, all I know is that we should sit back and enjoy. Another WWE show is underway. Extra slow getting back to his base here. He's really taking over this match now.
What was?
Save after that backbreaker. There's some serious power right there. Oh, look at this.
Mamos.
DDT. That's gotta be it. Inside the ring again. Yeah, they should be. This is where the action needs to be. And he touches that one. Elbow smash. Stinger. Wow. They might be broken in two. Somebody's gonna get hurt in this match. So damaging. We're looking at complete domination here. He clearly has confidence in that move. Yeah, he's done it enough. When he gets going like this, there are a few better. Oh, no, knee to the temple. Around here, you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt. Textbook offense here. I'm not sure I can watch this. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his belt got seriously wrong there. That's it. He's out. Well, we're on the move here. This match has been 100 miles per hour since the opening bell. And I don't see any slowing down in the future. This is a great matchup. I'm loving it. We've seen it all tonight. There must be serious injuries. Okay, this is going to need some serious medical attention. Could this be it? I think so. The astonishing acrobatics coming through here. That was spectacular. This match just keeps getting better. Controlling the tempo. Looking for control. At this point, you think he had that move to his scalp. That wasn't even close. So that's what it's like being so far off the mark. The repetition of that move is becoming deliberate at this point. What's he gonna do here? The top of the Vader was tapped. It's over. That's gotta be it. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. Me too. I've given up even trying to figure out what they're going to do next. I just sit back, watch and enjoy it. We're looking at complete domination here. Will this be it? I think it's got to be. He lands the strike with great accuracy.
What's he going for here? That's it. He's done. It's gonna be it. They need that other guy. Turning it around. It's Aiden English with the reversal. It's full of him. There's the MTN stretching it up his spine. They're gonna have to tap out. No, that's gonna hurt. He's in full-on attack mode. Is it enough to put an end to this one? Here, here. Like this. He's looking at it again. That's it. He's out. When you're beat up, the last thing you want to have to should do it right there. I think this thing's over. But you're not. That's the match right there. These WWE competitors tore this arena apart. Let's take a look back on some of the incredible highlights.
Oke, ini udah selesai main gamenya. Jadi kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share ke teman kalian. Semoga channel ini bisa berkembang lebih baik dari sebelumnya. Kalau kalian suka video ini, like, oke? Dan selamat tinggal. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.